welcome back to our channel. So it's June the 4th, and as many of you know, the kids and I are participating in the Frugal Family Food Low Spend June. What that is, if you're new to our channel, is for the month of June, we are trying to get our grocery budgets as low as possible. With that being said, we have already completed a couple of tasks. We have inventoried our fridge, our freezer, our pantry inside the house. Well, we have two pantries inside the house. And we did not inventory fully our oversized pantry. We wrote everything down on lists. We wrote all of our items down on these lists. So I got this pantry organization sheet from organizedhome.com. However, if you go over to frugalfamilyfood.com and click on the resources tab, you will be able to print out the printables that they have available for you. Also, if you sign up for the email, you'll be able to get the email blasts. So I was unable to print them because I was not at home at the time, so I just found some that I could print. These worked out just fine, although I do like the ones that they had over on Frugal Family Food. So hop on over there. This event is being hosted by Tangi from Freedom Homestead and Amanda from The Fundamental Home. They also have a Frugal Family Food group on Facebook. So if you're interested in frugal ideas on how to save money for your family, please hop over there and request to join. You will have to answer some questions to be to gain approval for the group, but you go on over there and click on the join and join the saving fund. So I've got my pantry inventory here. I have my freezer inventory here, and I also have my larder inventory here. So they sent out a schedule or a calendar, and right now I can't seem to find my calendar, of all the events or all of the tasks that we would have to do for the month. And because I'm not really good at keeping up with all those little pieces of paper, I went to my handy dandy personal calendar, and I just filled in all of my dates with my tasks. So I'm actually running a day behind because I work full time with my videos. So I'm doing yesterday's task today, and you won't see it until another day from today. So you're actually going to see this video on Tuesday. So I'm about 2 days behind. But yesterday's task was to make a meal plan for the month with all the items that you had in your pantry, your fridge, your freezers, or whatever storage systems that you have. You were going to put down some meals that your family could possibly eat and make a monthly meal plan. So if you're new around here, you know how we do it. My name's Shakema. I'm a single mom. I work full-time as a high school teacher. I also homeschool my kids full-time. And we spend about 4 nights a week out of the house. I'm also an avid couponer. Some people would call me extreme. I would say they were extreme in their estimations. I do love to get my deals, though. I love to get my deals. So the reason I don't meal plan for the month is simply because I shop and I plan around my sales. So what I do is I shop for groceries, and then I put together meals around what I was able to get at the grocery store, instead of making my plan and then shopping, because I am a super sleuth when it comes to getting my deals, and I am always looking for the best prices. What they asked us to do is to create a monthly meal plan. I am not going to do it that way, but I am going to put down some doable meals. This is Miss Alana's handy dandy work. She wrote down doable meals because we had to ask our family what were some meals that they loved, some of their faves. So I had the kids sit down and they made up a list, and then I added on a few things to this as well. So I'm going to take Alana's list and Jackson, and of course Mom wrote in some extra things, and then I'm going to transfer it to this list that I was able to find online as well. And so here it has the menu for the week of, and it gives me breakfast, lunches, and dinners. And this is why I like this, because we're on our last full week of school for public school. After school is out, I do tend to cook 3 square meals for my kids when I am home. So I work full time, but when I'm home in the summer, I'm a full-time stay-at-home mom. And so down here, this portion says shopping list, but I'm going to change this so it doesn't say shopping list, and I'm actually going to put in our doable meals. What's going to make this twice as better or twice as good is I'm going to put it in my menu plan picture frame or photo frame. And then I'm going to be able to write in using my permanent marker my weeklies with all of my possible meals. And then each week for the month of June, I'll just take a magic erase this off, and then I'll be able to write in for next week. What I'll do as well with my monthly meal plan is I'll write down all the meals that we had for the month. That way I'll remember, because I will be erasing this one every week. So let me get everything changed over and then show you what it's going to look like in my photo frame. Okay, so what I did was I had to actually end up trimming up this sheet. It's just a printable that I printed from online. So I trimmed it up a little bit. It wasn't in there right, so I ended up tapping it over, you know, so I could see breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You may not be able to see it, but it says for the week of, and I'll put in whatever week we're on. And then some days I may not cook a meal, but we'll have something that we can take along. Like if we do French toast sticks, if I make them ahead of time and we pack them in little baggies and the kids can take them, or we'll do something that we can take, egg muffins or something. So it may not be a meal I actually cook that day, but it's been prepared. And so this gives me Sunday through Saturday. And then at the bottom where it says shopping list, I'm just going to change that and put doable meals. So I'm going to have the kids help me go through their list, and we're going to write down our list and show you what we come up with. Okay, so here are some of the meals that here are my doable meals based on the inventory that we have. We could do chili dogs, pizza, pancakes, sandwiches, chicken salad, honey salmon, tomato soup, tuna salad, macaroni salad, chicken salad, beans and rice, fish tacos, breakfast biscuits, biscuits and gravy, Helen Pearl, stuffed strudels, salmon patties, chicken and rice, Mississippi roast, sausage and fried cabbage, spaghetti, white chili, steak and potatoes, pinto beans and rice, slow cooker breakfast meal, taco soup, sliders, meatball subs, nachos, chicken parm, pigs in a blanket, mozzarella sticks, or loaded mashed potatoes. I'm going to have to go back through these. We can do velvet pork chops. I forgot about that one. And then we could also do pork carnitas. And so what I've started doing up here is I've already started filling in the things that we have had. So I'm not real sure, because our schedule, like Tuesday night we have taekwondo and we have prayer. Wednesday night we have taekwondo and small group. Thursday night we have taekwondo, small group, and mom has her ladies meeting. Friday we have taekwondo, and tonight, this afternoon we did the library, but we are back home from that. Saturday mom has graduation in the morning, so I won't get too much done for breakfast because we have the early graduation. So now I have to make some decisions about things that I'm able to make. So tomorrow's Tuesday. I already know that I'm going to have macaroni salad for lunch because I'm going to make it tonight. So macaroni salad we'll have for Tuesday. I doubt that it will last to Wednesday because I'm only going to make enough. And then we probably can have sandwiches here for lunches because that's quick. We're doing pizzas because tonight's task is make something that you could buy at the store. And I already have pizza dough, and I have cheese, and we have meat and pineapple. So whatever we want on our pizzas in reason of what I have, we're going to make pizzas tonight. For lunches Wednesday, I'm just not sure. Friday, what could we do, y'all? Thursday, we're going to Ireland, so we don't need a dinner. No, I put it down. I wrote it. So we're having Tex-Mex on Thursday. Saturday, what are we having? Saturday, we could do velvet pork chops. And then Friday night, let's do chicken and veggies Alfredo. Tuesday night, we need a dinner for tomorrow night. Y'all help me, because we got prayer. It needs to be a quick meal. Let's do the Mississippi roast. We'll just take it out. Tomorrow is double batch cooking, so if we did Mississippi roast, we're liable to have extras. Maybe. I'll have to come back to this one, because that might not stay that way. So here it is, you guys. I've gotten our list together partially. And it's hard for me to do meals until I'm actually in the kitchen figuring out what we want to cook. But at least I have my doable meals down at the bottom. These are things I can pull from and say, you know what? We have all the ingredients for that. And then what I can do is just go back and fill it in on my sheet as well as fill it in on my calendar. And the reason I'm going to fill it back in on my calendar is so I can go back and see what meals I've done on what days, so that I'm not repeating themes. We're doing pizza twice this week, not twice this month, but it's only because we already have it to make tonight. And then the small group we're going to on Wednesday night is lots of kids. It's a movie night, summer movie night, so they're showing a movie, and that's what the host is providing. They're providing pizza. So we're bringing a side. But because it's movie night, we're going to bring the candy that you would buy if you were going to the We're going to do popcorn and candy, because we have popcorn coming out of our ears in our pantry, and we also have the candy. So there's a use for some of those coupon staples that we have gotten but have not had a chance to use. And we're going to take these little trays so all the kids can have their own. There's quite a few adults, but we have a lot of children. So you know, we can't get away from that theme this week. We're also eating out on Thursday night for our small group. We're visiting a small group on Wednesday night. Our small group meets on Thursday, but we don't have a lot of kids. It's just my kids that are the small kids, which is why we're visiting the small kid group Wednesday night. So just so they can be around some of their age group. But anyway, we are well on our way. We are going to be I'm going to do the 2-ingredient dough pizza. For myself, the kids are going to use pizza crust that we already bought with coupons that we had in our freezer. And that's going to be our meal for this evening. So anyway, we hope that this is helpful to you. It's helpful to me to always be able to see what I did, what I didn't do. And then I can make any corrections that I need to on this sheet with no problem. So there it is. This is what we're going to be doing. We're excited that you're on this journey with us. So if you haven't done your pantry inventory, do it now. Just do a quick scan. Even if you don't do every item, just go through and make yourself some notes. Hey, this is what I have. It's going to end up saving you some money in the long run, because you're not just going to go out and buy stuff. We ended up with 16 cans of black beans. Black bean burgers have got to make it on this list sometime, because who has 16 cans of black beans? We do. Anyway, we hope that you're enjoying this series. We hope that you're getting something out of it. If you have not gone over to frugalfamilyfood.com, do it now. Just run on over. Hit subscribe so you can get the newsletter into your emails. You'll be signed up for those emails that come out. I just got one today. I was very excited about that. And also click on the resources tab so you can get those printables. But anyway, this is what we're doing for today. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Just as, hey, we like your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you as a part of our YouTube community. Also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you so much for stopping by our channel. And just a few honorable mentions. The Queen's Cabinet. My friend Shelby is doing the low spin, so go over and check out her grocery haul. She just uploaded that today. She's fab. Just saying. Blessed Jess is doing the low spin. Go over and check out her grocery haul. She's fab. Amanda and of course Tangi are doing the low spin. Go over and check out their channels because they're fab. So anywho, thank you so much for stopping by, and until the next time we do a video for low spin, bye now.